Hello, my African family. Hope you guys are good. Your trusted advisor, Kareem Advisory Services. Okay, we're going to start our Kampala office, Uganda office soon, but this video is not for my office. This video is to thank someone who has been with me, standing with me, all this, not only amnesty, even before amnesty. So I didn't want this 2024 to end without thanking her, without appreciating her, because I always tell people to appreciate everyone or anyone who helps you. So I wanted to take this opportunity to thank Rachel, who is like my family, who is like my sister. Rachel, thank you so much for everything you have done for me, and the way you have been so supportive, so caring, so friendly, so cooperative. I don't have words to thank you. So I would say thank you so much. God bless you, God bless your family and everyone around you. You're such a blessing, seriously, you're a blessing. So Rachel, God bless you, and more wins to us for Dubai office and for this Kampala office as well. Ameen. Much love.